Isha.
And for a lot of people, I be Omapaini buy na you recruit you or draw salary in every chief of staff office. And he said, a channel say, and their master son,
obey day
on the at the spot of the moment that marble. And he fears whom. And he a lot air cost apart from say you cut it down, a banner cut it down, a number of expenditure items. There's fear and uncertainty. In the next 2 years, will I still have my job? Any other.
Okay.
And the way amount for life move, Abia forest no. Each year we almost savings. I can tell you for a fact, saving at the Jubilee House, that is a feeling among a lot of people are more honor, especially those who are a bit far away from power in terms of the proximity to the old man in a lot of space be no more enjoying new hobby travels be all manner of people jump on the 4-wheel drive now there's scrutiny about the list. Foreign trips are up amount for kakra free money apart from say atidi pan so no iska was a yedema amount for some kwakoye man and so every day so even some of the trips no cry no so omampanya him was we emfazo bi ani so ne atwam ne ade
okay
enti obi sana cost omampanya so ye ho no
is there a general feeling at the Jubilee House maybe I was say omampanya ni Ghana for kasa at a regular way?
I think say no moment there even beyond Jubilee House kasa no that is the conclusion about it. In fact, for example, now Obi also very prominent in the government, which we say COVID time now every Sunday.
Yes.
No, I want to man for I'm COVID no COVID news. It is even more crucial now
to speak now than COVID time.
Than COVID time. Now because centered communication in Manity now. Amanfo hu baby omode omutibo fortunately and information minister dey atudwa say ebia Sunday no mampani be kasa em say wachemu say ochena Bank of Ghana any managers of banks or any operators of forest bureau now key and they say $1 more pen say be aban betimi dia mo now for monso a oyiso where say overpricing amanfo ma take advantage of the situation and they say me no obi twetwen ko mo ni so busa $1 or 17 cents say ba say they could do 17 cedis there's a speculation what they no so
so worry
but the story who figures on that yam show
but I don't know why mpacho me twa me nim di nti aboa payo no obesha dade hu ni a opeprebia to Ghana for bi no so ene me more banks ni be panic withdrawals and quarantine banks ni be o kwaje osika back krana it's a problem and then make us say 3 major companies oma shasi yi omonkofo e Ghana here these are very important companies in this country a sign some of these so I just e bi no so say the osika if you don't take advantage, I do way a 4 citizen. Obia now is just jumping the dollar. Not the Kobe 20 or 40.
And Russia the cronin so now. Be any what they had index
at all.
It's not $1 so. I mean how can you go oil gallon 400 Ghana? Over 2 days they say 1,000. And I'm like nobody measure.
Very sad. Say because they American say I didn't bugu nyina so. It is a person take advantage. Now driver into a certain direction. Ebia or more feel so or see some questions now. Ebia on their own idea. They may be sorted. But me and you know the impact of it, in fact, and when you do that, we are also because
it's crazy because at the rate at which in the end, let me monitor comment on Facebook and who's an amount for share more experiences and obit me ba say I deal with your turn 10 Ghana enne I dear to your coy and ma 20 Ghana na 50 Ghana 60 Ghana and you're like I mean, what has been there?
Too artificial.
It's too much.
It's very bad. In fact, minimobia na menene twetwe nkobo na ochirema oto obifie na fie no mze dipa to man $1. It's na oye conversion no na eba be see almost 900,000. into a bomb body net what you after all of a sudden I has to pay almost 500,000 cities more.
Can you imagine? Mortgage
in common,
people are collapsing.
Mortgage in common,
they are losing out completely.
Mortgage in common, another.
And then you also can you a young what you in fact now why your calculation say over time last year was $32 now what you 40,000 more now no with the dollar now on the Adnakwa could know he has to pay the panel 500,000 cities more.
Can you imagine?
Yeah.
Like
but who said mortgage the end man and no conversation is a bit different from or more a ton day to day new man or more the discretion to fix prices. Who's a mortgage no? Oh, kotodain. A dine is indexed in dollars and our to in the no said depreciation bar a to or disadvantage. Nippon or dine mount or no benefit. In the different conversation.
Yes,
now is ya no said papa no how to papa and papa is senior.
Oh, okay.
You remember papa called 2006. Ghana and Czech Republic World Cup. Yeah, to war help and any formation by said baby you do no. Onyamia to the Safran. June 16, 2006. And pen of crab on the 2nd September Banco. Okay. And my papa is senior and you over. Yes. To my Yako in November, now Jubilee House here, Unzo Mapainan Casano. For some time now, one share done 1 year. Now usually so need Jubilee House already. In fact, do I to be answering.
Oh, really? It's a president.
So you want to mind, in fact, wait my room from security and the
place is very quiet.
Very quiet. And suggestions was to be quick across war. Now, when a bell, economy homes and 7 years there. In fact, the facts Nepal there are not just a lot of name maybe not just any pebimunian free near there, and Kosubio. They say full allocation be pebimuniano, Booker, Muna up and down near there. Command my church, they said, Bimudia quite the best. I didn't 100%. Just say, so I took an is a one case I was sick at Wakutu Full
at the Jubilee House.
Our Jubilee House on.
Wow.
And Bimuswa be allocation, maybe be a bay week, you know. Sisia said, registration, what they are 2 full allocation or more could be as Antano Pabia, Pabia, Osuka, Sonaka, Salah, any other adenum. I said, now, no, and just said him.
Oh, okay.
If Senema and said that, and to Tomu.
Okay.
And in fact, as one becomes a Marco Krokumante, about James on was deputy minister. Sisia and about 70% of full of the good came on one at Tonadi.
Wow.
And across the Jubilee House, and he never be a Akufo. In fact, even on my penny foreign travels, there's been a massive revision even in the per diem.
Oh, really?
Among for I mean, there's been a massive review about from. And any masses, ABR one a debut home. Now they can tell you for sure, say, and this is first. And even for the foreign travels near the Addo crimes, even less no crime, there is serious scrutiny. I'm saying, call all the way to the old man's office, or floor man. Be a less man, but be ready for me, and no quite to be a year near the other. And he would know one of a dear
yeah.
Now, meetings there, of course, would be now. Because maybe information in my out there was about to give you out, I give you away to all manner of rumors.
Yeah.
And everybody, a lot of people appears to have first-hand information. Be and there's a bit of uncertainty. And time I can also